Can you answer these questions about enzymes? The molecule to my left here represents an enzyme. The active site is the location where the enzyme is going to interact with its substrate. Which of the molecules below fits in this active site? Take a look at the structure of the enzyme and the structures of the molecules. You should be able to tell that D here is the substrate that interacts with the enzyme above. In biology, we talk a lot about how structure determines function, and this is one of the ways. The structure of a protein, or enzyme in this case, is going to specifically determine what type of molecule it interacts with. Let's do another question. Which letter represents the enzyme in this diagram? We only have three choices: W, X, or Y. In this case, X represents the enzyme since it's unchanged in this reaction. W is the substrate and X is the product because they are changed in this reaction. And lastly, which graph best represents how temperature affects enzyme activity? You can see in all the graphs, the enzyme activity is on the y-axis and temperature is on the x-axis. The higher the line, the more activity, and the lower the line, the less activity. The answer to this question is A. As the temperature rises, enzyme activity also increases till a certain point when it drops down because the enzyme denatures.